But I always saw coaching as the next phase of my career. And so, when I joined the ICE program back in December 2022 to do the strengths coaching, which I agree with what Reza said, and Jordy, like the strengths is phenomenal. But that put me on a new path. And originally, I would sort of maybe 2-3 years down the line look to get my own coaching business because I was, had this corporate world job. But things happen. Again, sometimes you don't expect them, but they're actually good. Life is what happens when other things happen, and so I'm now in a position where I can look to really start to accelerate that business, coaching, consulting, writing, public speaking. So again, a big thanks to Tamor and everybody at ICE for this opportunity. I've certainly learned a lot of core coaching skills to build on top of a lot of corporate experience. I've done a lot of mentoring, but I think the ability to really work with people, and I've had a number of clients sort of in at the deep end, people at my former company said, "Hey, you're a coach now, can you come and coach us?" I'm like, okay, I've just started, but yeah, okay, let's go, right? And I had so many nice comments from those people that that I've had an impact, and they've said some really nice things because I asked them for some testimonials, like natural at coaching and all of these things. It's great to hear because it's a great confidence booster. Because like everyone else, you have doubts, am I, where am I going with this? Sometimes some clients, it's like, this is a mess, I got to come out of this. But again, as you do more of this, you start to get a sense of, for me anyway, like where the patterns are and ways out. So it's really been a great journey.